What's up, team? Today I didn't feel bad about myself. Okay, so what you can see here is a Horror Prime 5K account, which is on phase one. So I'm currently on a drawdown of $80. Okay, so when you go to my history here, you can see today I made a loss of 13.34. So I'm not supposed to have this loss. Okay, I'll explain later in my trading view. So also maybe I can show you what happened yesterday. Yesterday was on Wednesday, the 19th of August. So I took a loss. Okay, so I normally risk $50 per trade, and I only take a single trade each and every day. Okay, so $50 is 1%. So my model is a 1-to-2 model where I risk 50 and target 100. Okay, so here you can see here today I ended up losing 13, but I'm going to explain it later. Okay, so let's go to my trading view. So so you can see here, let's start with yesterday. Yesterday was on Wednesday. So you can see on my screen, we had this beautiful setup. So I trade Asian session liquidity. I wait for price to sweep either side and then I target the opposite side. Okay, so this one here was my entry. So price came all the way up to around this point here. If it's this, and then played halfway and then took me out. And then today, if you look closely here, today it's supposed to be a win. See, so I had this beautiful setup here. So it was supposed to be a win because you see my target is 1:2. So it was supposed to be a win for today. But when you go to my MT5, we took a loss. Okay, so we took a loss. And now I want to explain to you why that happened. So before I took this trade, my account was sitting at around 49.33. Okay, and now I decided that I'm going to target. I'm going to risk $50 and target 117, so that I can cater for the 33 that was here now. So that if I win at this trade, my account could do now 50-50. Okay, I hope you get it. So instead now of following my system and targeting a 1:2, I did target like 1:2.5. Okay, so price came up to 1:2, one there, and then reversed. Okay, then when I came to the market, price was already playing at around this point. So I was so angry at myself because I did not follow my system and then decided just to close the trade. Okay, so that is basically what happened. So my account right now should be sitting at around 50.33, but now because of my greed and not following my system, I'm now at this balance, which is too bad for me. So yeah, so that's it. So we are only remaining with tomorrow, Friday, and let's see if you're going to get an entry. So that's it for Thursday. See you tomorrow, Friday. So let me show you what has been happening today. Okay, so let's open NASDAQ. Right. So yeah, this one here is my setup for the day. So you can see we had our liquidity, very nice. Our ND was around this area here, and then it got stopped out. Okay, so for Friday it was a loss. So let's go to MT5 and see what happened. So I'm currently sitting at around 48.93, and yeah, this was the setup. I took my sales around this area here, but I got stopped out here. You can see, yeah. And today I had planned to risk 0.5%. So you can see the loss for today is 26.16 USD. So yeah, so that's it for this week. The system performed well this week. I can't really complain, because if you try to look into from Monday, we had a winning trade. Tuesday we didn't have any trade. Wednesday we had a loss. Thursday we were supposed to have a win, but again I messed up. And Friday I lost. Okay, So we had 2 wins and 2 losses. So that means we had so that means we are crossing the week with a plus 2%. Okay, so let me maybe try to show you from Monday what has been happening. So let me zoom it. Let me go back to Monday. So I've really mastered NASDAQ, but I think I didn't need to work on my discipline so that I don't make some mistakes that I normally make. Okay, and so Monday was you can see here. On Monday we had a very clean win. You can see this one here, very nice win. And then on Tuesday, you can see here we didn't have any trade. You can see we didn't have any trade. Then on Wednesday we had a loss. Then on Thursday, yesterday, you can see here it was supposed to be a win, but I messed up on my challenge account. And finally today we had a losing trade. So generally we had 2 wins and 2 losses. Okay, so that is 4% minus 2%. So I'm up 2% this week. So that's it for this video. See you on episode 3. Bye for now.